Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox a kit that I purchased from AliExpress from store Joy Tam. I actually already diamond painted a kit from this company. Here it is, home for the holiday, as far as I remember, and I was in the rapture over the final result. So I hope that the new kit would be as great as this one. So let's open and see how it looks inside. This is how the box looks like. It was pretty cheap, around $20. And this is the contents of the kit. So to tell you the truth, I'm a little bit disappointed. First of all, because of the canvas material. This kit, for example, came on a velvet canvas. This is just a regular cheap material that is sold in, um, you know, standard AliExpress stores. This is the original picture. And this is the canvas. To tell you the truth, I'm very disappointed. It is supposed to be 70 by 50 centimeters, but to tell you the truth, I do not believe so. I do not think that the design size is 70 by 50 centimeters. It looks very pixelated. I do realize that um, I cannot judge the diamond painting by unboxing it, because I did have diamond paintings that looked very pixelated when unboxing, and they turned out really very detailed and the resolution was perfect once completed. But this one, I'm not sure. I remember how Home for Holidays looked when I just received it, and it is 70 by 50 centimeters, by the way, and this one is way smaller than that. Let me measure it. So let's see, it's 59 by 40 centimeters. What the heck? No, but seriously, instead of it being 70 by 50 centimeters, it's 59 by 39 centimeters. Not even close. Well, this is outrageous, seriously. And okay, whatever. So, well, what do I expect for 20 bucks actually? Yeah. So of course this size is way too small for the picture like that with so many details. Just look at it. Look. This is the original picture. You see, there are a lot of details actually. That is why I was choosing 70 by 50 centimeters. This one is 70 by 50 and it looks perfect. Every single detail is seen. But this one is 20 centimeters smaller than it's supposed to be. Yeah. I will leave the link in the description box below, but I do not recommend it buying, at least because there is a lie when it comes to the size. The symbols, I can't even say that they are clear. They are okay. I saw symbols printed more clear than what I see here. The glue is okay. Had stickier ones. Well, I'm very disappointed in this seller. They used to be way better. Okay, so now let's open the drills and see how they look inside and if there are any AB drills. So there are 35 colors. So, the drills. To tell you the truth, I'm very disappointed with this kit, starting with the canvas and ending with the drills, because first of all, they're not even attached to each other. Look, they are all over the place, and as much as I don't like kitting up, it will take me again a long time to organize it, to prepare for diamond painting this kit. For example, there is the same color in several different bags, and now I have to search for every single color over there. Oh, okay, so I have 317. Oh, where is one more? Where is it? Let me find it. Here is 413, 3799. I just saw two bags of the same color, so they are all over the place, and I don't like it. I prefer when the diamonds are attached to each other in a numeric order. This way, it's much easier prepare for new kit to kit up, and it is way less time consuming than what I have to do now. um so as to the drills, yes, the colors are beautiful, are bright. There is only one AB red. All the rest are regular resin drills. There is no white color, so I was thinking of replacing white with AB, but unfortunately, as I said, there is no white color. There is light, very light pink, beige. Mm, what I'm thinking of replacing the yellow color on the windows with the crystals, but I don't know. It looks so pixelated to me that I really doubt it's gonna look any better. Mm, because when it happens with American diamond paintings like Diamond Tower Club or Diamond Dots, when they look pixelated when opening, it's fine because I know that they have artists that hand charged their kids. As to this one, I'm pretty sure it's just computer generated, no artists worked on it, so most probably it would look as pixelated as it does now. And the problem is the size. If it was really 70 by 50 centimeters, it would be enough um, to show all the details in a pretty nice resolution. But since it is 20 centimeter less, like 10 centimeters less on each side, well, I mean, not in each side, in width and length, it would look way too pixelated. So I do not recommend purchasing from this seller. Is a really very nice picture, very beautiful. So if you decide on buying it, I would recommend you either to buy it from a different seller or purchase a bigger kit. But again, if the seller lied with the size of this very kit, why wouldn't it lie with a different one? So if you order one for 80 by 60 centimeters, it will come smaller, most likely. I think that the 70 by 50 size would be perfect because this one is 70 by 50. Looks perfect. And there are even more details than on this very kit. So this is all for today. I will try to record a video unboxing of those gorgeous Christmas kits from Make Market, I think. um, that I purchased make market, I think, that I purchased yesterday, and I showed you them. So if not, then I will make a review on Friday. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. The link will be in the description box below.